Hey, so Mother's Day is just right around the corner. So today we're gonna make a blunt steel rose. Hit the music. So people have been making steel roses forever. Steel roses is nothing that I invented. Everyone does them. What I did create is the steel rose with the skateboarding base plate. Making the steel roses, it's a little time consuming, takes some skill. The more you do them, the better they get. So basically you're gonna need a plasma cutter. Plasma cutter, you'll need to cut the rose petals out. I like using a flat disc, 4.5 inch. Seems to be around the right size, 4.5, 5 inches. You just draw a circle. I'm gonna draw 2 circles because for one rose you'll need 2 sets of rose petals. Circle in the middle where the stem is going to go, and one circle will have 5 rose petals and the other one will have 6 rose petals. And basically you just kind of just give it that organic shape. Doesn't have to be perfect. You can see that there's one with 5 rose petals, and they aren't perfect by any means. They don't need to be. Once you weld them onto the stem and start bending them, it actually will look better that they're all different. So you have one with 5, draw another one with 6. We have a CNC plasma, so I've made them out of with the computer and just have them all ready. Here's one with 5, here's one with 6. Gonna need this. You're gonna need a 3/8 hot rolled round bar, around, what is this, 8 or 9 inches. This one's, yeah, just over 9 inches. That's probably what this one is. You can make them however long you want. You're gonna end up using a sledgehammer with a vise or wherever to give it kind of an organic shape. This will get welded together with the 6 petals on top, 5 on the bottom, and then you'll use a couple of these crescent wrenches. I got a 10-inch and an 8-inch. Don't forget your base plate. Goes in here, and just get to work. So let's do it. Before we get started, we're gonna stamp one of the rose petals, the blunt steel logo, to make it official. And now the rose petal with 6 petals. So that's the only welding you're going to need to do on the rose bud. Now we'll put it in here. We're going to use an independent truck base plate. I think Burnett gave me this. Gave me some old trucks. I ride Ace trucks. Miles rides Ace trucks. And it's usually, you know, tell my friends to bring over old trucks that they have. That's how we get the independent trucks. And we'll take the pivot cup out. Don't need that in there. So we got the logo in the base plate. Kind of worked a little hard because this is cast aluminum and it's not perfectly planed. It's not perfectly flat, so the stamp didn't reach all the surface, but you get the idea. And we'll just kind of hammer this in a little bit, make sure that the logo is in place on the rose petal. So when you see it, it'll be kind of centered. All the way through. So we don't want the stem to come out of the base plate. You can't weld steel to aluminum, obviously, but what we're going to do is just weld around the round bar to make it fatter, so it won't slide out. Alright, got a bead in there just to basically make it wider, so this doesn't come out of the base plate. All right, that should be good. Just want to make sure it's balanced. I'm gonna use a clamp just to hold this in place. We're gonna need to rotate it, so you're not gonna want to use vice grips or a vice or anything. Now we just got to get started. I like to get started with the skinniest one. Just bend it up. Alright, got that started. To get it going even more, we're just gonna there we go. This one's nice and tight. Now we'll just go to the opposite side. and just keep going. So we're getting the crescent wrenches just opened enough to get over the sheet metal. And then we just start bending them. Start that shape, curved shape, so that it'll wrap around the rose petals that are already in there. Sometimes you got to you can't have them right next to each other because crescent wrenches will hit each other, so you'll have to offset them a little bit so they'll get out of each other's way. Starting to look like a rose. We want all the rose petals to be kind of tight with each other. So the top layer petals are done. One skateboarding on steel rose. For the mom that skates or the mom of skaters or Valentine's or birthday or whatever. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. The more subscribers we get, The more views we get, the closer we're going to be to doing giveaways.